When you get access to JMP 16 Pro 2021 through OneDrive, in the folder, you will find JMP Pro 16 Mac.zip and the instructions which you should have received via email already. To download the software, click the circle to the left of the zip file and press download. Depending upon your internet connection and the speed that you have available, this may take some time. It may be faster if you are on a direct internet connection. If you are on wireless, please make sure to close all other operations. Don't be streaming. Don't be playing other videos. Don't be recording or doing other software downloads or using other software while this file downloads. It is also critical to make sure that you are downloading to your computer. Make sure it's not downloading to a cloud. That's common in Macs. You'll get an error at 200 megabyte warning. That means that you're downloading to your cloud. You need to make sure you are downloading to your actual computer. Once you have downloaded the software, you can then open it. And in a Mac, it will automatically extract. So now that you have it here, you can go to JMP Pro 16_0 Macintosh and jmp-install.dmg and run the install. This will pop up with the installer package. Run this. And then click Continue. Don't make any changes. Click Continue. You can change the install location if you want to run this on an external hard drive, though make sure that you can continually access it. I generally advise that you leave it on your hard drive and press Install. You will need administrative access to install software. If you do not have administrative access, please make sure to contact your administrator so that you can get the software installed on your computer. Press OK. And you are now done. Click Close. Press OK. Move to Trash the installer because you don't need it. And then now go to your applications and you should see JMP 16 app. Start it and click Wait to register. And you are now ready to use JMP 16.